In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Udemy online courses app from Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so you have been trying to install Udemy, but you are encountering this error. Then let me show you how you can fix this. Now, in the first method, you need to go ahead and open Play Store and make sure you are trying to search while logged in with your Gmail. So if you had not signed in or logged in, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account and then search for your app. However, if you are unable while logged in, then go ahead and click on this profile icon on your account and then go to settings under your Google Play Store. And here you can see we have general settings, network preferences, family, and about. We are interested in these network preferences. Go ahead and choose this. And below it, you should see we have quite a number of options. Look for the option called app download preference. So under this, we have three options. Choose the first option over any network. By choosing this will ensure that you are able to install this app over any network that you are currently connected to. To confirm this or to save these changes, go ahead and tap on OK. And this will go ahead and save the changes. At this point, go ahead, try and install Udemy app, and this should have solved your problem. But should you still experience any challenge, then it means the problem might be with the Google Play Store app itself. So for this, we need to go ahead and access the Play Store app info page. And to do this, just long press on it and you should see app info here. But depending on your phone, you might miss this, but you should see a settings icon or even the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on it to access Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Play Store. And of importance is this cache data. So cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects whenever you use it and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause this Play Store to malfunction, thus encountering a challenge such as can't install this app. So to fix this, tap on clear data and then clear cache and OK. So don't worry, you will not lose anything from Play Store or you won't be logged out at this point. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone. And once you have restarted it, now open your Play Store, search for Udemy. So I'll search for Udemy and now I'll tap on it and proceed and install to see if this will be downloaded. And as you can see now, the download is here and now the app is being installed. So that's how you can fix can't install Udemy app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.